Hi everybody, this is MuWID, the content management system for Adobe Muse. In this screencast, we will install the MuWID system to our hosting. We enter the system, enter our login and password. Here we are. This is the administration panel of the developer. We go to the testing tab. You have a 20 days free trial to choose whether you enjoy using MuWID. We enter the domain name. In my case, this is demo.muwid.true. I push the testing button. Okay. The domain is added to the database. The free trial has started. Here's the beginning. Here is the end. When the free trial is over, you always can pay for the further usage of the system if you enjoy MuWID. Okay. The domain is in the base. We go to the Installer tab, push the Setup button. Okay, the system has downloaded. Now we open our FTP client. In my case, it is a Total Commander. I can see the setup file here already. I push the Connect to FTP button, create a new connection, fulfill the necessary fields. I've done it already, so I just push the Connect button. I'm on the server. So here I just drag and drop the setup file to my hosting. Done. Disconnect. I open the new tab in my browser, enter the domain name, demo.muwid.true. You can see the new link, setup.php. I push it and I can see this form. We need to fulfill it. We enter the base address, the hosting user, the base password, the name of the base, and the login and password for the administration panel, which you can give to your final client, the one who will use the website. I open the notepad. I have my data here. I enter the base address, the hosting user, okay, base password, and the name of the base. Now I choose the name and the password and push the setup button. Okay, done. The database is installed. I enter the password and push the enter button. So the installation process is complete. Thank you for your attention. See you again. Bye-bye.